Single-day tours are short experiences that begin and end on the same day, like a walking tour, a cooking class, or a sunset cruise. These tours need clear timing because travelers plan their day around them. Travelers want to know not only the date of the activity, but also the exact time it begins. For single-day tours, adding time makes your schedule crystal clear, ensures your pricing shows on the correct day, and helps travelers arrive exactly when everything is ready. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through adding time to a single-day tour in Tripcart, so you can run multiple sessions in a day with confidence and avoid any booking confusion. Let's get started. First, log into your Tripcart dashboard. From the left menu, click Tours, then All Tours, and open the single-day tour you want to edit. You'll land in the General section. Here, you'll see two options for tour types, single-day and multi-day. For a multi-day tour, we already have a tutorial video, how to add departure dates in multi-day tours, for which I will add the link in the description. Choose Single Day. This tells Tripcart that your activity begins and ends on the same day, like a walking tour, a short cruise, or a museum pass. Once that's set, the next step is pricing. Before you can set the time, you need to add pricing. Without doing this, you won't be able to add time. Now, head over to the price section. Enter your base price and add number of packs. Here, you can also create multiple packages for the same tour. We have a tutorial video on this called How to Create Multiple Tour Packages, which shows exactly how to do that. I'll leave the link in the description. Once pricing is saved, you can also update. Now open the Dates section. Tripcart also automatically updates when switching between sections. By default, once you set the price, the start date is automatically selected from today. You can also choose a different date you want your activity to run. You can then add multiple dates to your calendar. After setting the date, click on one of the dates you've added. In the No of the Packs section, enter the total seats, for example, 20. For this date, let's keep the price the same as your base price. It's time to add the start time. This tells travelers exactly when your activity begins and appears clearly on the booking page, so they know when to arrive. For example, if you're running a walking tour, you might set a 9 a.m. start for your morning group and a 3 p.m. slot for your afternoon session. If it's a cooking class, you could add sessions at 11:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Or, if it's a boat cruise, you might offer 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 6 p.m. sunset trips. You can add as many sessions as you need by creating multiple dates, each with its own start time. This way, every time slot shows separately on your booking calendar, helping guests choose the schedule that works best for them. Now, if your tours run regularly throughout the month or year, adding each date one by one can quickly become time-consuming. To save you from that manual work, Tripcart provides a repeat date option. Here, you'll see the repeat date feature. Toggle it on, and you'll find 4 options. Daily. Choose this if you want the tour available every single day. Weekly. Use this if the tour only runs on specific days, like Mondays and Fridays. Monthly. Perfect for seasonal tours. Yearly. Best for special events that only happen once a year. Let's set up one of these options. I'll choose weekly and select weekdays from Monday to Friday. If you notice, there's also another option called Repeat Until. Use this if you'd like the monthly repeats to continue every year. By default, you can repeat up to 36 months. Once you're done, click Save Changes and preview your tour. You'll see each available date along with the time clearly displayed in the booking panel. After adding the time, the next step is to set the cutoff time and block dates. Use the cutoff time setting to decide how many days before the activity starts, travelers can book. Sometimes, even though a tour usually runs, certain days won't work. That's where the block date feature comes in. If you don't want to run an activity on a holiday, during staff leave, or while doing maintenance, just click Block Date. Pick the date or date range and save. Those days instantly disappear from the booking calendar, so travelers never book a tour you can't actually run. You may also turn on Repeat Every Year to automatically block this date every year. And if you ever need to block the same date across all tours, you don't have to do it one by one. Head into tour settings and use the Global Block Dates option. This is perfect for full company breaks, public holidays, or days when your entire operation is closed. It saves time and keeps every single tour aligned automatically. If you want a detailed explanation of features like repeat date, cutoff time, and block dates, watch the tutorial How to Add Departure Dates in Multi-Day Tours. I've explained each one step by step there. You'll find the link in the description. And that's it! You've now learned how to add time to a single-day tour. If you're new to Tripcart, you can try it free for 30 days with no credit card required. And if this tutorial helped, subscribe to our channel to keep learning practical tips, discover new features as we release them, and get the most out of Tripcart for your business.